Okay, I'm going to enter the car now. As you can see, I have my full face respirator on. I'm going to hop in, start the vehicle so it can start cleaning the HVAC system of the vehicle. As you can see, the vehicle is completely full with a dry vapor system. Did a really nice job. Still bubbling away and making gas. I've got the vehicle on AC and recirculate only. And you know when it's done, there's no more yellow, it turns almost like a whitish. And the byproduct is just salt and water. So I'm going to get out of the car and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Really nice job. Okay, so it'll be done in about maybe Okay, I just took my respirator off. This car will be done in about maybe another 20-30 minutes. That one's completed. I'm sorry, I had my finger. That one is completed. So is that one. It's not going to be a bad day. $175 each. You're looking at about $425. Probably 2 hours. Hey guys, have a good one. Take care.